Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has stated that Israel is prepared to resume its military campaign against Hamas if negotiations for an extended ceasefire break down. Speaking on Saturday, hours before the ceasefire was set to start, Netanyahu emphasized that the truce is temporary and warned that any violations of the agreement would not be tolerated. Addressing the nation in a televised speech, he said, and I quote, "We reserve the right to resume the war if necessary with American support." He credited the military campaign with reshaping the region, stating, and I quote, "We changed the face of the Middle East," and claimed that Hamas is now completely isolated. The ceasefire mediated by Qatar, the United States, and Egypt is set to begin at 8:30 local time, that is 6:30 GMT on Sunday. However, Netanyahu stressed that progress depends on receiving a confirmed list of hostages to be released by Hamas. He wrote on social media, and I quote, "We will be unable to move forward with the framework until we receive the list of hostages who will be released as was agreed." So far, Israeli authorities have published a preliminary list of 33 hostages to be freed by Hamas in exchange for 1,890 Palestinian prisoners. However, officials say the names of three hostages to be released on Sunday remain unconfirmed. Meanwhile, airstrikes have continued across Gaza with more than 120 Palestinians killed since the ceasefire deal was announced on Wednesday, according to Hamas officials. The Israeli military said it has targeted Hamas and Islamic Jihad fighters in over 100 strikes since Thursday. Gaza Health Ministry, run by Hamas, reports that 46,899 people have been killed in the conflict since October 2023, with much of the population displaced and facing dire shortages of food, fuel, and medical supplies. This comes after the unprecedented Hamas attack on 7th October 2023, which left about 1,200 people dead and 251 taken hostage in Israel. Of these, Israeli authorities believe 94 are still in Gaza, including 34 presumed dead.